Cologne, located on the River Rhine, is one of Germany's top cultural and commercial cities. Known for its 12 Romanesque churches, especially the famous Cologne Cathedral, it's a city full of history. Cologne began as a Roman military base over 2,000 years ago, and today it blends Roman ruins, medieval churches, and Baroque palaces. Visitors can also explore museums on art, history, and more. The city is famous for its fragrances, mustard, and chocolate. With a rich cultural life, shopping streets, and Europe's old universities, Cologne is a must-see destination. To ensure you make the most of your sightseeing time, be sure to watch this complete video of the top attractions and fun things to do in Cologne. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Cologne Cathedral. The Cologne Cathedral is a towering icon of the city, with its twin spires rising 157 meters high and visible from miles away. One of the tallest cathedrals in the world, it features breathtaking Gothic architecture and an enormous interior filled with treasures and religious art. Construction began in 1248 and was completed in 1880. Inside, you'll find elegant pillars, stained glass windows, crucifixes, and the famous Shrine of the Three Kings, said to hold the remains of the wise men. Climbing its 530 steps offers amazing views of the city, while standing below the spires gives a sense of their incredible height, stretching endlessly toward the sky. 2. Hohenzollern Bridge. The Hohenzollern Bridge in Cologne is the most famous of the 7 bridges crossing the Rhine River, located near the city's cathedral. It was originally built between 1907 and 1911. During World War II, in 1945, German engineers destroyed the bridge to slow down the advancing Allied forces. In 1948, the bridge was partially repaired, and by 1959, it was fully rebuilt. Today, the bridge is a vital part of Cologne, with around 1,200 trains passing over it daily due to its location near the main train station. A pedestrian path on the bridge offers visitors stunning views of Cologne's skyline as they walk across the Rhine. 3. Augustusburg Palace. The Augustusburg Palace in Brühl is a must-visit when in town, just 20 minutes south of the center by car or public transport. This stunning Rococo masterpiece, built in 1725 by the Archbishop-Elector of Cologne, is full of artistic treasures. Accessible only through guided tours, its grand rooms each have unique themes and colors. The breathtaking main staircase, with statues, painted ceilings, and colorful pillars, is the highlight. Outside, enjoy the beautiful gardens. A combo ticket includes Falkenlust Hunting Lodge, equally elegant with historic paintings, statues, and furniture. 4. Gross St. Martin Church. Gross St. Martin is one of 12 Romanesque churches in Cologne and stands out for its large tower, which makes it look like a medieval castle, except for the crosses on top. Built between 1150 and 1250 to replace an earlier church destroyed by fire, it is one of the most beautiful buildings in Cologne and a favorite spot for tourists. The church was heavily damaged during World War II, but was restored afterwards. Its trefoil-shaped choir and towering structure still dominate the old town skyline, making it an iconic part of the city's history and charm. 5. Shida Gasa. Europe's busiest shopping street, Shida Gasa is a must-visit for shopaholics. This pedestrian-only street in central Cologne attracts about 15,000 shoppers every hour. It connects Hohe Straße and Neumarkt and has roots going back to Roman times. In the Middle Ages, artists painted coats of arms here. Today, Shida Gasa is packed with department stores, chain stores, trendy boutiques, and shoe shops. A standout feature is a clothing store inside a whale-shaped glass building. The surrounding streets also offer great shopping options, making this area a shopper's paradise. 6. Fish Market Square. Overlooked by the tall Great St. Martin Church, Fish Market Square is one of the prettiest spots in town. It's lined with colorful old buildings that survived World War II and now house great restaurants and bars. Long ago, fishermen sold their catch here by the Rhine River. The square offers stunning views of the river and its lovely Deutsche and Hohenzollern bridges. You can enjoy the lively vibe, take photos of the Gothic-style facades, or relax while watching the peaceful water. Cruises along the Rhine also start from here, making it a perfect place to visit. 7. Heumarkt. A charming square in Cologne's Altstadt, Heumarkt is famous for its lively Christmas market. It's surrounded by cozy cafes, modern brewpubs, and restaurants offering food from around the world. While most of the square's buildings are modern, a few have been restored to their old, beautiful pre-World War II look. Visitors can enjoy coffee, sip on Kölsch beer, or try traditional German dishes at its many eateries. In the center, there's a stunning statue of Prussian King Frederick William III on horseback. Heumarkt also hosts popular events like the Carnival, Pride, and festivals. It's close to the Great St. Martin Church and Cologne City Hall. 8. Hanor Bor. The Hanor Bor is one of the last remaining parts of the city's old fortifications. Built in 1235, it was once a main city gate where royal guests passed to visit the cathedral's shrine of the Three Kings. Today, it's one of 4 medieval gates still standing and has 2 towers with Cologne's coat of arms above the entrance. After taking photos, you can explore many restaurants and bars nearby. Although other gates may seem more impressive, Hanor Bor played a crucial role in history. 9. Old Town. As you explore Cologne's city center, Innenstadt, you'll walk through the charming Old Town, Altstadt, full of historic churches like Great St. Martin. The area is filled with alleys, traditional houses, and now boutique shops, galleries, cafes, and restaurants. The scenic paths along the Rhine offer great views as you explore. You'll also see many monuments and fountains. Don't miss the archaeological zone, home to Roman ruins like the Praetorium, Governor's Palace, and a 2,000-year-old Roman sewage system beneath the City Hall. 10. Rhine River Cruise. A visit to Cologne wouldn't be complete without a boat ride on the Rhine River. A 1-hour sightseeing cruise offers amazing views of landmarks like the Cologne Cathedral, the Old Town, and Hohenzollern Bridge. At night, you can take the Rhine River Evening Panorama Cruise to see the city lit up. For a longer experience, enjoy the 3-hour Cologne Rhine River Dinner Cruise with a buffet of regional food. For more exploration, join a Rhine River Cruise to Königswinter, or use the KD Rhine Pass to hop on and off, discovering the towns along the Rhine and Mosel rivers.